Yo guys, how's it going? It is Mr. Crayfish and welcome back. Mr. Latefish is here. Mr. Latefish is here. I thought he didn't exist, but he exists. I was 2 minutes late. Rest in peace. Got my cup of Java though. But today, we're working on the device mod. Work on the device mod today, guys, because we haven't touched on it in a slight second here. We haven't touched on a serious second here. So we're actually going to be doing crafting today, because we've done crafting for the laptop. However, we need to add crafting for other stuff. So I want to have like a crafting recipe for the USB, and if you guys have got any suggestions on how we should do it, do let me know. So we're going to load up the game here, and we are going to see, we're going to try and, you know, draft out some recipes. What up, Fabby50? What up, Bloxy Way? Austin TV? The Viper? Bloxy Way? Dakota, how you guys going? Welcome back to my sponsors. Yeah, you said right, the Viper. The Viper. Do you know how to make Dino but rejoin a server? I don't know. Make it leave. Make it rejoin, I don't know. What's up, Coffee Cat? What up, Ferocious Wolf? I see ya. I see ya. Ice Bucket Challenge, what? Form and mine a block of obsidian. How did I get that? Alright, whatever. I don't know how I got that. What was I doing here? Oh yeah, I was making plastic. That's right. We have plastic in this mod, my dudes. Okay, thanks for being an inspiration. That's right. Alright, so we want to do like a USB recipe. Can we utilize any of the components here already? Not really. Circuit board. Can't really use the hard drive. I don't know. What the heck? Oh. My dad's home already. What the heck is 10? My god, he's home real early. How about 6 plastic on the top and by crafting the redstone along the middle? That's not really a good recipe. That's not really a good recipe. Did I miss the cheese hype? No, we haven't done it yet, dude. Oh, good. I've already read out your comment, dude. Hey, how's your day? My day is good. My day is good. Alright, so what I was thinking about doing is we implement a flash drive instead. Sorry, not flash drive. We potentially implement like a different type of component, because we do actually have another texture for it. I'll show you. Let's bring it up. I was gonna find it again. I deleted like all my texture folders because I had so many. Hold on. I just gotta re-download them. I had too many. Alright, so if we come over here, you'll see that we have this this one here. Which is an SSD. Compare this, like a hard drive, this is an SSD. Oh my god! Thanks, Dad, for coming home and starting to mow the lawn at the front. Awesome. Hopefully you guys can't hear that. Probably can, because I can see it on the mic. Cray, I'm getting a Minecraft server, cool. Don't forget to tweet the Twitter on retweet, guys. Yeah, if you guys want to get a shout out today, can't stress this enough. If you guys want to get a shout out, go over to my Twitter and retweet the latest tweet to get a shout out, and then I'll be shouting your name out at the end of this live stream today. Very, very simple. I know you want to get your name shouted out? You go over to Twitter. So what we want to do is basically how did I... Oh yeah, I created like another texture, didn't I? Go, oh my god. Dad decides to start mowing the lawn as soon as he gets home. That's why I can't wait to get my own house. That's why I can't wait to get my own house! Mathan, I've already read your message. There's Methan. Hard drive. Oh, that's what I did. Where's the update being released? It is being released. Don't know. Soon. Once I get all the crafting done, I think I'll do a release for you guys. Because I've been putting it off for a while. That's parenting on that show, Cray, pretty much. Not once I get my own house. Yeah, why doesn't that zoom in more? There we go. Let's have a look. Ah, cool, it does fit on. Oh no, what the? Oh, there we go. I was confused there. It was like it wasn't gonna fit on for a second there. Alright, so let's go ahead, let's fix up some things. So I feel like we're gonna go for like a completely black border. Bordeaux. Completely black border. So like, I knew this was gonna come useful one day. Then we'll have like that. Alright, did I do like a different texture on the bottom of the other hard drive? I don't know. I cannot remember. I'll just go full texture there. Alright, there we go. SSD texture. I would just postpone the release one more day for every time someone asks for it. Then everybody just starts asking for it. Well, it looks like it's delayed until 2020. Looks like it's delayed until 2020. When are you going to release the gun mod? Soon. Like, there's still things like I want to release. I want to add my new obfuscate library to the gun mod. I want to add it. I want to add it because now I can actually do like custom rendering of the player model. I'll now be able to like actually make it so when you're holding the gun, when you're actually holding the gun, it'll be actually pointing upwards. So if somebody else is holding it, then it'll actually be pointing forward. Can you add gun holders? I don't really need to. I don't know. Some guys like add in a machine gun that fires 100 bullets a second. Alright, let's go save as hard drive, solid state drive. So we're only adding in the SSD literally for the USB. Literally for the USB. Solid. All the memories. I can mute my headphones with my mouse. That's legendary. I should do something like that. I wonder if I could change around, edit, settings, hotkeys. Where is it? Mic. Mute. That might not be the best idea, but oh, okay, that doesn't work. Hey, that button is just not good. Oh no, let me fix that up. That would have been weird for you guys hearing that. Please make the laptop crafting recipe optionally use the SSD instead of HDD. I could probably do that. Along the road. What exactly is he working on the device mod? Working on crafting, dude. Brian, we're working on crafting. Which mod will you make tomorrow? I'm not going to be making any new mod. If we get the crafting recipes done today, we might work on the gun mod tomorrow. The gun mod tomorrow. Let's see if we can get all the crafting recipes done. Hopefully I can do it. We got an hour. We got an hour to do it. Alright, so we need to create the hard drive. So copy that. Oops. Solid state drive. So the good thing about this, right? Oopsie. Oh, that was recipes. Whoops. We do need to add one anyway. Solid state drive. Silver shulker box. Maybe like a black. I really want the hard drive to use a disk instead. It just makes sense. We could even like create our own disk, so you don't have to actually use a record disk. We actually have to just create like another disk. Knowing you're right, it's gonna take at least 2 hours if you say 1 hour. True. It's my motto. I actually kind of go by that now. Like, whatever you're gonna do, double the time. I think who was it? Was I think like Casey Neistat said that. But like, I'm not sure who said it. But like, whatever you're doing, like playing, like, oh, it's only gonna take an hour. Double it. How does solid state drives work? Because I know it's not a disk, but what is it instead? What is it instead of a disk? It's probably like, it's like flash memory. It's flash memory. But what is flash memory? Is it like a little... Don't know. Any hinters? Flash storage. Alright, there we go. Magnets. There are atoms inside of it. Some person. There's atoms inside of it. Whoa. We forgot to commit something. Sick. Look at all these uncommitted changes, guys. Alright, let's add in. What's that? Wi-Fi. Battery. Item basic, device items. Let's go all those. All those. Added plastic. I'm so bad at committing now. I need you guys to remind me to commit. I keep like forgetting to commit on literally everything. It's a bad habit. I just realized you're working on the device mod. Damn it, Fabby, go to bed. What do you think I was working on, dude? What do you think I was working on? Looks cheesy. Flash memory is an electronic non-volatile computer storage medium that can be electrically erased and reprogrammed. Is your coding software free? Yes, it is. Everything that I do is mainly free. Software's free, GitHub's free. I need to update this. People are saying there's been like an update to it. I'm like, alright. Fixed. There's a battery apparently. Like, these should have all been, like, separate. Added battery. So, let's have a look here. Oh, whoopsie, I was supposed to implement that in the plastic one. Whoops. Let's have a look. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is now part is now a subpart. Wi-Fi. Oh my god, like this is how it should have been done all the other times. Ah! Forgot to do that. Whatever. Oh no, this is actually an important one. Alright. Added a laptop recipe. Finally. Forgot to plastic smell. Alright, then we'll say added solid state drive. See, that's what should have been done. That's what should have been done right there, ladies and gentlemen. But I forgot to do it at the time. Let's not do that again. Let's not do that again. So we got our solid state drive now. Should be all good. I see Cray streaming, yay. Damn, it's the vehicle mod. What do you mean? I don't know, for some reason I was probably thinking about Obfuscate. You're just excited about it. If you guys have any suggestions for how we should craft the solid state drive, do let me know. We're gonna do it like similar to maybe the actual hard drive, but I want to change it around. Let's load up the game here. How do you guys think it should be crafted? How long have you been live streaming? I only just started half an hour ago. If you guys want to get a shout out again, like to reiterate myself. If you guys want to get a shout out, go over to my Twitter right now and retweet the latest tweet. It should be the one promoting this live stream. Obfuscate is cool. I want it. Yeah, I definitely want to add more to it. More events. More events. I want to add potentially a way that you can add, like, I don't know if that would be a good way to do it. Really, it's just gonna be like what I said on Twitter when I introduced it to everybody is that it is gonna be a way to reduce difficult coding and make mods compatible, but like it may be a little bit misleading because it's gonna make it easier for me. It's gonna have, you know, make my mods compatible. It's gonna reduce the amount of code that I have to write for every mod. So, any render for soccer mod on Obfuscate? What do you mean? I'm gonna be using like I wanna implement into Obfuscate an animation API. So you can say, you know, make the player do an animation, kind of like how I created like the actual flossing in Minecraft. That's using an animation. So I can do like an animation API. So let's say in the soccer mod, right, I want to send the player a kick animation. So when the person actually kicks the ball, they will actually kick the ball. It will look like they're kicking the ball. Cray, don't be lazy and admit it. What? What? I'm lazy? That's why I'm up to 87 live streams of the device mod. Like more player models? Kind of. But like the thing is, like, more player models could use the Obfuscate library and then actually make it compatible with like all the other mods. Oh no, not your commitment. What do you mean? Alright, so solid state drive, guys. What should we do? Obsidian. We could do Obsidian. Because Obsidian's easy to get. This is what this other one is. Oh no, it's redstone. Sorry, that's like there. That's a kind of good way to do it. I don't know if I want to do like shulker boxes because they're like expensive to get and they're limited as well. I think they're limited. Or do they respawn? Do shulkers respawn? Does anybody know if they respawn in the end? Or are they like once off? Cray, what are we making? Recipes? No. No. Okay. Because like, let's say we have like unlimited amount of shulkers and everybody on the server is trying to get it. Like, I don't know, it's gonna be like difficult, so I feel like we need to change around the storage. The storage for it. No shulkers, please. AAA, AAA stress. An alternate crafting recipe for obsidian instead. You don't want to see the other recipes, dude. You don't want to see the other recipes. If you think it's hard to get obsidian, you're not going to like the rest of it. Maybe a mod can add respawnable shulkers. Yeah, I don't know. Shulkers do not respawn. No, I need like, basically I need, because this is in the middle, right? This is what it's going to be. This is going to be the recipe. I've already decided it. But I need to change this around. But I don't know what I can use for that. Because I don't have any like components that would work for it. We need like flash memory. There's that solid state drive, by the way, guys. You need to make it smaller. Ender chest? Oh yeah, ender chest is not a bad idea. Ender chest. That'd be a pretty dope recipe as well. That'd be a dope recipe. So let's change around this. So O for Minecraft, obsidian, B for, or E for ender chest. And then R for redstone. Let's have a look if that was right. Ender chest, yeah, okay, cool. There we go. That's a lot of obsidian. That's not really that much. Trust me. If you play Minecraft and you get at least like efficiency enchantment on a pickaxe, you can mine so much obsidian for days. It's not a problem. What your problem is all the other recipes. I feel like that's the easiest recipe of them all. That's the easiest recipe of them all, guys. So... let's fix the name. How should we craft? Alright, so how should we actually craft the USB, guys? So using the solid state drive, how should we craft the USB? Circuit board, maybe something like this. And more. Flash drive or a port? The flash drive. I don't know what to do. What do you guys think? Maybe we can use plastic frame around it. Do something like the laptop. That'd be good, actually. I know it's his circuit board. Like that for the USB? I don't know. Oh no, maybe use the metal at the top. Sorry, do that. Maybe do something like that. That would be cool. Because we have a circuit board. I feel like the circuit board should have the we should just put gold on it already. Plastic and dye for each color. Oh yeah, we forgot the dye. Dang it. Because I want them to be the ones in the middle there. Forgot about the colors. So let's grab our dye out. Let's grab 2. If anything, it would have to be this. Maybe some plastic like that. Or swap them around. What do you guys think? That? Does that work? I wonder if you can put recipes in subfolders. Is that a thing? Minecraft, assets, recipes. Doesn't look like you can. Looks like phallical now. What? Instead of redstone, make a redstone and call it a rote. What? Are you using the core SSD texture? Yes, I am. Because we're creating a USB, and a USB doesn't use a hard drive. Has like a little mini disc inside of the USB. You should make colored plastic. Yeah, I don't know. I know, I think that works as the USB recipe. What do you guys think? If no one disagrees, then I'm going with it. I like the idea. I vote for colored plastic. At least red, blue, and green. But then it doesn't matter. Then like, how do you craft a yellow laptop then? You need to do every single color. Why SSD? Because that's how flash drive's made. It uses flash memory. But it's like the only logical way. Otherwise I have to create like a flash component. I mean, the SSD will only be used for the USB. I'm doing it anyway. I'm doing it. I wonder if it will add actually sub. I wonder if it will add subdirectories. Let's have a look. Flash underscore drive. We'll see if it does. Red. So dye, iron, plastic, SSD plastic, redstone plastic. Unable to see a circuit. You don't make flash drives with SSDs, you sell flash. You use flash cells. Yeah, I know, but it's pretty much, I don't know. The thing is, we have to create another component. It looks like a reproductive organ in that shape. It could look like anything. I don't know how it looks like a reproductive organ. You could say that about every recipe. Don't be lazy. Oh my god, that's your guy's excuse. I am being lazy. It's still logical to use a solid state drive inside of a USB. Alright, so, I can't tell what the USB, oh no, we've got the shape already. Let's just add in this die. Iron ingot. P-ford plastic. Plastic frame. Don't be lazy and save. What? Use the SSD to craft a laptop, make the flash cells to craft both the SSD and the USB drive. But what do flash cells look like? Flash cells. There's no pictures of them. There is no pictures. Flash cell. There is no pictures of a flash cell. What is it called? Flash. It's a flash chip. Small chips. Y'all got any of those chips? I think Minecraft dude will have to get me use my floppy disk texture. My god. Flash memory. I don't know if that's a good idea. If we're able to get... Are you able to create like a really simple texture that says like flash on it? Kind of looks like it will look like the screen texture, but it has like the words flash on it in very like a faint text, kind of like the GPU text. Or I could do it because it's right here anyway. So I actually have like this. I'll actually use that for the outside. And then here we'll do maybe something lighter, like 13. Oh, that was too much brighter. Oh, we just write the word flash. Flash. Might change it around so it uses a brighter texture for that. We'll go, whoops, no. We'll put some like, let's do that. We'll go up to 20. Remove the red. Oh, let's fix this up. Remove the red on this. Because there's all these chips that got red on it. Now it looks better. Get rid of the red on this too. Alright. Let's do like here. 20. I know, it looked like some sort of just imprinting on it. Looks like some sort of imprinting. Imprinting. And I'll also have, let's go to, let's open up something. Wow, instant ban. Instant ban. We're gonna add in like this to it. Let's make it so it's like 1 instead. Flash. Ban, I'm guessing Discord? No, and here somebody just typed like a pretty explicit message. It didn't show for you guys, but if you're a moderator you would have seen it. That's not bad. What do you guys think? Flash chip. Y'all, we're delaying. We're delaying the release of this mod. Alright, we'll call this Flash Chip. It's chips, guys. Yummy chips. Now we need to create a 3D model. Alright, so I made it 15 by 19 high, so 9.5. do that. I'll call this the chip. It's a chip. Flash chip, there it is. Apply. Alright. By the way, putting myself out there, if you need mod helpers on stream or on Discord, that's all good, dude. Usually when there's not many people, I can manage it myself, type thing. Might add in like a bottom texture too.
Sound waves reaching the microphone are changed into impulses of electric current.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
How would this look upside down? I think that's how it works. Save as. Doesn't like to bring up my last location. Bottom. Alright, there we go. The bottom is complete. Now let's do the sides. So, west. Alright, south. North. And east. There we go. So that's all done for that. And now I need to do the actual pins. So my idea behind this is to bring that down. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seems strange. I really don't know what to say, but here's some really nice emojis. Master Chief, cheers for the super chat there. Appreciate you. I want to start like doing this in the actual device mod as well, where you actually, you know, here. Thank
I really
you.
don't know what to say, but here are some nice emojis.
What did I type in the other one? Thank you to blah blah blah. Let me get it up right now. GitHub obfuscate. I said cheers. Cheers to these people for donating during the development. So I'm gonna start this now. I should like add everybody else, but I just gonna start it from now. Master Chief, add you into here, dude. Oops, spelled that wrong. There's gonna be like a ton of names that pop up during this now. So if any of you guys ever donate or anything like that, I'm gonna be adding you guys to the actual credits of the device mod. Could you add me? I'm a sponsor. I'm kind of only doing it from now on. I'm only going to do it from now on just because it's too hard to track everybody that was donated before. I mean, I could add all my current sponsors right now. I could add all my current sponsors that I have right now. Oh yeah, Master Chief. Oh no, sorry, Minecraft dude though. There we go. We'll say pins 1. Alright, just trying to think how this gonna work. Textures. East. I think we'll disable the east. East, west, up, and down can go. I'm going to duplicate that. Pins 2. South face can be disabled. Is faced enabled. Alright, there we go. Up face enabled. Whoa. Looking good. And then down as well. I don't know if we'll be able to see this. I don't think so. Let's go ahead and move this. Oopsie. Enabled. Rotate. Let's bring that back. There we go. Now we can duplicate. Pins 3. Pings for whoops. What face is that? West. There we go, pins are complete. There's our flash chip. Didn't even save through it. Can you believe it, guys? Didn't even save through it. That was risky. Risky for the bisky though. That's my motto, risky for the bisky. Sorry, I'm back. That's all good, dude. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Flash chip. Alright, there we go. Let's not forget to commit anything. Okay, fixed item name. What did I do here? Component flash chip. Cray, you got to try the new server? What do you mean? What do you mean, dude? Shh. What do you mean new server? Flash chip. Do not advertise. Oh. Y'all, I'm not promoting I'm not promoting my YouTube channel, but go ahead and subscribe to it. I'm not promoting at all, guys. I'm not promoting. I don't want you guys to even listen to what I say, but join my server. I'm not promoting at all. I'm not promoting, but send me money. I don't want you guys to donate to me, but send me money, alright? I'm not gonna eat this piece of cheese, but eats it. I swear on my life I'm not gonna eat this cheese and crackers. Eats the cheese and crackers. That's everybody literally in chat. Alright, so now that we got a flash chip, how should we do the crafting recipe, guys? So we'll have a flash chip that goes in there. But what should the crafting recipe for the flash chip be? Any ideas? I feel like it needs this in it. Like something simple. Iron, slime bowl. Does slime come in? Redstone and stone. Like, that's my idea. It's pretty simple. Plastic, redstone, and then nuggets for the teeth. Shards. I don't know if they work. Someone's like, put a laptop. 3 gold nuggets, 1 iron and 1 plastic. But what's the shape of it though? Add iron in the middle, gold nugget. I don't know. Should we make it more difficult? Should we make it more difficult? We could do something like that. That works. Like, make it... Iron's not hard to get. It just adds to the recipe a little bit. What do you guys think? How about diamond on the top? Jeez. It's a pretty expensive flash chip if you ask me. Plastic, plastic, plastic. Iron, redstone, iron. Gold, gold, gold. Well, they are. They don't have diamonds in it. Since when do flash drives have diamonds in it? Hey, the jukebox is made out of the diamond, because that's silly. It's not even a logical crafting recipe. Why don't we just put a diamond sword inside of here? That's basically the jukebox recipe. It doesn't even make sense. So that's the flash chip recipe. Let's go ahead, commit that, because I don't want to keep forgetting. I want to put it in like a logical order too, so before the solid state drive. Same with here. Because then it's registered before it. Let's actually load it up into game first. Please make a superhero and villain mod. I don't really do mod requests. I don't really do mod requests, unfortunately. I do commissions, but only if they're like ones that I can do. I do mod commissions like only if they're easy to do. Well, not easy, but like I know I can do them. Alright, so let's have a look at that flash chip. Oops. Just want to make sure that when we actually put it on the ground that it's... Oh, that's reasonable size. CDM items. That's pretty cool. Flash. The Flash. Here's your superhero mod, dude. There's the Flash. Look, it's the Flash. This is your superhero mod. We got the Flash here. Why doesn't it have a texture? I fixed it up, dude. It's because I forgot to put in the mod ID. It's also translated in the GUI, maybe 3. Also needs to be rotated to 45. Whoa, good pun. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that flash chip. No one will ever notice the detail that went into that model because it's so small. Let's get rid of that, and rid of that. Say 4. I watched The Flash on Netflix. Rated TV 14. Dang, dude. You savage. You an absolute savage. I'm not lying, dudes. I watched an MA movie. I once I'm not gonna lie, guys. I was savage. I was literally savage. I stole a biscuit from the biscuit jar. Mum did not even see me steal it. I'm savage. Mum didn't even see me steal it. I watched I was underage. I watched a movie that required 15 years of age and I was 14. I was savage. The most savage move you could do. Alright, so we got a flash chip. Alright, so let's do the crafting recipe for the USB now. Say flash drive. Whoopsie, no. So USB. We already created it. Flash drive. So S. So let's say F. F is item CDM flash underscore chip. So it's 14. We'll see if this works. I don't know if subfolders work, but I want it to, because it'll be more organized. I dare you to step away from the computer for 1 second. I can't do it, dude. I can't do it. I'll get fired. I'll get fired. I'll fire myself. When mum says only take 1 cookie and you take 2. I am a savage. I am an absolute savage. When mum says get off the computer in 5 minutes and you stay on for 10 minutes. I'm an actual savage. I wrecked mum there. Breaking the law right there. Breaking the law for reals. They call me Mr. Break the Law. No lie. Flash drive. I'll need plastic. I need redstone. Dye. Ah, dang, it doesn't register from subfolders. Dye, iron ingot, plastic frame. Is that what it's called? Plastic frame, yeah. Whoopsie. Oh, it does actually load. Missing data for item dye. Oh. I wonder if crafting recipes reload. I don't think they do. God's not dead, he's surely alive. But I'm not savage, but savage when I do that. I just don't want to go to bed. Usually I go to bed like an hour earlier. When your friend got 87 on a math test and you got 88, you're basically Einstein then. You're basically Einstein. Do crafting recipes reload when you do that? I don't know, I might have to reload the game completely. I don't know if that's a thing. Okay, so reload the game. I think they only load up on start. Didn't we just listen to that song? When you stay up to 3 AM on a school night. Absolutely savage. That's the worst thing you could do, staying up to 3 AM on a school night. Ooh. Dang. Playing Minecraft at 3 AM, never do it, guys. Never do it. I'm not gonna lie, playing Minecraft at 3 AM literally feels like somebody's watching you while you're playing Minecraft. Only you. Ah! Expected to be was 14. Oh, oopsie. Not a string. Dang it. Do we request songs? No. When you pull an all-nighter on a school night, that is like level 10 savage. Level 100 savage right there. Oh my god. Rule breaker. Paint the sky. Oh, oopsie. Forgot to define the circuit board key. Alright, so it does load up sub. It does actually load up sub recipes, which is nice. So that means we can actually put like a folder with all this on it. So we can have like red. Oh, we actually have like a paper USB. Ugh. Ugh. When you start 1 minute later than you're supposed to. Savage. Rebel. There we go. Just an idea of all of them. It's so hard to create it without knowing all the list of items. Let's go ahead, just open up enum, dye color. Split horizontally, split vertically. White, orange, magenta, light underscore blue, yellow, pink. We need to add the color information under the actual item because we kind of forgot to do that. Gray, silver, cyan, purple. Got purple here. Bluey. Bluey. We got Browen. We got Browen. What else we got here? G-Reen. We got G-Reen. G-Reen. We got Arid. And then we need black. Oh my god. You guys like, what is he doing? So black is that 0. Let's see, here we go. So blue is 11. That's 4. Rowan. Gray. When you secretly get on your computer on a school night while your parents are sleeping, when they come in, you run to your bed, pretend you're asleep. When they leave, keep on playing on your computer. Has that happened to anybody? Like you, I mean, it doesn't happen to me anymore. But you remember, like, maybe it still happens to you. But like, your parents come into your room thinking that you're asleep, but you're not asleep, and you got to pretend you're asleep, and you're just like, what are they doing in my room? Like, in your head. You're like, oh, yeah. And they might say something. And you're just gonna, like, not laugh or something. Like, why? Like, you go, like, what's the reasoning behind... I mean, like, even if you're, like, not supposed to be asleep, and you, like, go to sleep... Oh my god. Greed. It's just an awkward thing, to be honest. Lime. I think my mum came in one, well, not here, but like ages ago. I had like the TV left on. And she came in and turned it off. I was like, what? Magenta. Pink. Purple. My favorite show is watching the micro spin around. Doesn't sound exciting. Eight, 7. Alright, there we go. We've added the crafted recipes for all the flash drives. Oopsie. No, we didn't. What's it called? USB flash drive. Oops. Alright, there we go. Let's reload the game here, and we should finally have crafting recipes. Crafting recipes for the USB drives, and I think as well, it's going to end off at this live stream as well. It's a good point to end it off because it's 12 o'clock. It's past the time that I like to live stream. So, because I need to record videos. I need to record videos. Alright, so let's test this out. Ooh, it works. Look at that. Red flash drive. We should try a different color. Just to make sure that it works. Blue flash drive. There we go, that works. Awesome. Let's go ahead, commit it. Flash chip. Added flash drive recipes. Wait, what happened to Mr. Chicken? Did you eat him? What? Okay, choose a number between 1 and 100, then add 1 to it. Then add 2, and then subtract the number you started with. Your answer is 3. That's not even a trick question. I can already see the logic behind it. Listen to me and I'll eat your face. What? What was that? What was that, dude? Alright, so there we go, guys. Crafting recipes for the flash drives are now done, which is awesome. We could quickly hold up. We could quickly just add in the information flash drive. Alright, let's get rid of that. Say my name, Cray. What? None for the chair yet? Yeah, I'll get around to the chair. We've still got all the other ones to work on. There's a lot of crafting recipes, just so you guys know. There we go. So So we actually got like names on them now. Think about how many crafting recipes there are, guys. There's already, what's that, 5 by 9. That's 45 recipes there. That's another 45, so that's 90 crafting recipes. Plus 5. There's 95 crafting recipes, guys. 95 crafting recipes. So we got a solid state drive, we got a flash chip. It's looking good, good. Actually create a new world. Because it will actually have updated list of the items. A proper list of the items. So there we go. A better list of the items here. Maybe we might move this plastic after here. I'm wanting to make the creative GUI actually look nice. Cray, can I talk with you after stream? Yeah, sure. We'll go on a call. But yeah, that's going to end it off. I'm going to go ahead and do Twitter shoutouts now, guys. So if you retweeted over on Twitter, appreciate you. And I'm going to shout your name out right now. So we got a shout out to Dom Games YouTube, The Voracious Wolf, Noah Triton. Let's go into the actual retweets here. ZBH, YGamer600, Goon, FZaneCraft, Alpha Think, Donovan Wood, Fabi50, and then one person does not want to be shown. So cheers guys for the support there over on Twitter, and if you guys have enjoyed this live stream today, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right in half. I'd appreciate you a lot. But that's going to end it off. I will see you guys tomorrow, where we might actually do gun mod. We might do gun mod tomorrow, so look out for that. But I will see you guys later.